19, 12, 20, 12:21. I have 12 minutes and 21 seconds to talk to y'all. Okay, so fell in love with these for sewing. And they're stainless steel. And they're covered with gold. And they're pretty. And I like them. Next, I got, y'all are going to laugh. I just think these are so pretty. Blue Willow. Two's Company makes a lot of blue willow pattern. And they put it on paper plates and cutlery and napkins, tons of napkins, all different kind of cocktail napkins and dinner napkins and boudoir napkins, all kind of stuff. And now they put it on Band-Aids. Is that so pretty? I might just pretend to have a cut so I can put them on. But I am going to keep them in my purse for in case somebody, I always keep Band-Aids. But isn't this more me? See, I have some Band-Aids that are pink with flamingos on them and with little green monkeys on them from, I think, Lily Pulitzer. But I just love those. And then look at this. Look at this beautiful little hand sanitizer. Again, it's that same kind of a look. They're little, it's lavender scented, and it is 62%. I usually like to have 70 to 75, but so it's the size of a credit card. A little thicker, but the size of a credit card. And you remove the little top so that you can get in there. And you just, I gotta be careful. Spray your hands. I'm not gonna do much because I got a flame going back there. It's antiseptic hand sanitizer. Well, why does that matter? Well, first of all, look at this little pattern. Again, it's so pretty. It's little Ming Dynasty vases. But it so easily fits in your purse. And also, before somebody puts on a Band-Aid, they really should put on antiseptic. So I'm going to keep them together in my purse. In a little Blue Willow pouch. Maybe. Okay, what else did I get? Hold on. Let's see what else is in here. Who knows? I do not recall seeing this in there. I do not think this came in there. But I've got so much stuffing paper, I don't know what else might be in here. Like I just threw that champagne glass across the room. But look how much stuffing paper I used. But that's good. There was something else in here, and I don't remember what it was, to be honest. Yeah, there was something. I think it may have been shoes or something. But anyway, I also got this, and they may sell this there. I don't remember. Because I feel like I got more than just this from Elemis. I think this was a separate shipment, y'all. Where is it all? Oh well, I'll tell you in the next video if I find it. The Elemis is a really high-end skincare brand. And, you know, they're known for having anti-wrinkle cream and get you looking young again. So this is for fine lines and wrinkles. It has Padina Pavonica Rose Mimosa in it. And it is a day cream. It firms, smooths, and hydrates. And it's Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Now it says marine cream. Where's the marine? You're supposed to do it every morning to cleanse dry skin. Keep it away from your eyes, like all things. Clinically proven, of course, that is independent clinical trials. The powerful anti-aging ingredients have been shown to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, improve skin's firmness, tone, and hydrate within 14 days. Firming Padina Pavonica and antioxidant-rich ginkgo biloba improves skin suppleness, elasticities, thus creating the ultimate anti-aging cream from Elemis. High-performance formulation developed through innovative technology, and it's groundbreaking. Hope it works. Nothing special in the packaging. Again, to me, packaging is a given. It's just a given. Especially if it's expensive, and Elemis is expensive, but it's because all the research they do and all the high-quality ingredients. And supposedly because they work. Let me just smell it. See if it's anti-smell or I like it. It's got its little thing on top, so let's just, and never waste what's on that top. put just a little bit on my skin. That's probably wasted. But whatever's on that top, don't ever just wipe that off and throw it away. That's expensive stuff. So there it is. Let's just see. It's a nice smell. And I just got it all over my ring. So now I have to wash my ring. And that bracelet. It instantly has a moisturizing effect, I have to say. Just looking at my two hands, it really definitely did make a difference. And I think that's because it's very finely, I won't say milled because that's powder, but I don't know, you probably wouldn't be able to see, but this hand's much shinier, and it may have shiny quality stuff in it, you know? Do you see how shiny versus that? Well, I don't know, that hand's kind of shiny. And again, my blue veins and my age spots. I wonder if it'll get rid of them. But anyway, so I've always believed in Elemis, to be honest. So I wanted to try, I think it was QVC. It was QVC. So there are other pieces. What have I done with the other pieces? I didn't just get the collagen cream. But I got this through QVC, I think, because it was on sale. And or deals. They don't call them sales. They call them special deals. And, you know, like if you buy two, you know, that kind of thing. And for something like this product that is probably very well proven and people find it sought after, QVC buys it up and sells the stew out of it. So, we'll see. Every morning for 2 weeks, I should see a difference. I'll let you guys know. And I think that's it. Is that it? Is that it, y'all? No. These, let me see. Okay, I've just got a couple of minutes. What are these? Can you tell? They're little tags. They look like just a piece of a grocery bag with a piece of twine. Very simple. Tags. Tags for what? This, yeah, this is QVC too. This is the Kringle. What's it called? Express 60-piece drawstring gift bag set with tags. So these are 60 Christmas bags. And they're all like wrapping paper. And you literally just pick which one of these sizes. I think you get 30 gift bags. 2 jumbo, 2 extra large, 3 large, 8 gift card size, 5 medium, 5 small, 5 wine. I don't give wine, but you could probably find something long. And what is that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 18, 23, and 8. I did that wrong somewhere, but it's right at 30. So all you do is put whatever your item is down in the bag, tie it, and stick on the little tag. So let's look at just a couple of them, shall we? I just want to look. I'm sure you do too. That's the whole point of a haul. Okay, I'm just going to pull out a couple. Let's pull, what are the smaller ones? Let's pull one of these. Oh, that's cute. So it's just a little plastic bag. You put down in it whatever the gift items, that could be good for jewelry or a gift card, and then you just pull the little ties, and it pulls it taut like a little bucket bag, and then you tie the little tag on. 60. And you don't have to have a bunch of rolling paper, wrapping paper hanging out, tape, scissors, gift bags with tissue paper, all that kind of stuff that I hold on to and hold on to and hold on to every year. Like it's after people finish opening their gift, I'll just like grab the tissue paper and start folding it back if they didn't tear. Or if they don't use a really pretty box, then I'll get the box back because nobody cares. But I care. I like to reuse them, especially if they're sentimental. Like there's one that my mother put something in and it's her handwriting on it, and I keep passing it to people. So that appreciate. But the rest of these are just, there's also some birthday ones in here and other occasion. There's just plain blue. So it's not just Christmas. But I'm kind of excited. I think it's going to make Christmas easy as far as just putting them all under the tree. All the little bags with their tags. Anyway, so that's it. That is the end of my haul for today. What do y'all think? I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you don't think I'm insane looking with my two different kinds of earrings on. But they're both from the same company. Barnett and Company. I love these, y'all. That's what I wore today. Little pearl ones. They're modern, but they're still very elegant and kind of vintagey looking. These are just like gemstones, rubies. So anyway, so now you can see both kind. And see just kind of a different look. Two different looks. Love y'all. See you soon.